Back in early 2024, a quiet message appeared on a private investor's board. Nvidia is building something that could redefine what it means to be human. Most people shrugged, thinking it was just another AI rumor. But that whisper wasn't about graphics cards or robots. It was the first hint of a scientific leap so profound that it promised to change our very nature. And it was already underway. Picture a tiny device, no larger than a raindrop, nestled just beneath the skin. It draws its power from your body's own electrical signals and communicates directly with your nerves. That's Neuron Nexus, Nvidia's secret implant designed to be more than just a medical tool. It's an upgrade for anyone who wears it. Imagine a chip so smart it learns alongside you, refining its support in real time, becoming ever more attuned to your habits, needs, and goals. As word of Neuron Nexus spread among insiders, rumors described its construction. Ultra-flexible nanoplates that slip between neural tissue without triggering rejection. Once in place, it wraps itself around sensory and motor nerves, forming countless tiny connections. Optic and auditory signals flow through it. Then it reaches into the cerebral cortex, where the real magic happens. At its core lies Nvidia's Grace Blackwell AI, a neural processor built for rapid, adaptive learning. It doesn't just analyze data, it evolves with each thought you have. Let's break down what this means in everyday life. First, your memory. Everyone forgets where they left their keys or struggles to recall names at a party. With Neuron Nexus, your recall sharpens to photographic clarity. You'll remember faces, numbers, and locations as easily as flipping through a digital photo album. Studies suggest that implant-assisted recall could boost retention by up to 90%. Imagine acing exams or mastering new skills in a fraction of the time. Complex problem-solving usually demands hours, working through equations, building models in your mind. Neuron Nexus tackles these tasks in seconds. It runs thousands of parallel simulations of any scenario you imagine, offering you the optimal solution instantly. You might be working on a startup budget one moment and pivot in real time to plan a marketing strategy, all with AI-driven insights feeding directly into your thought process. Language learning becomes effortless. Instead of grappling with grammar rules, you speak in perfect Spanish, Mandarin, or Arabic as the chip translates and overlays phonetic cues directly into your speech centers. No textbooks, no language apps, just seamless communication. Travelers, diplomats, and global teams could operate without interpreters, forging connections that once felt impossible. Now, let's talk about vision. When Neuron Nexus taps into your optic nerve, you get more than clarity. You gain new visual dimensions. In low light, your surroundings brighten as if someone flipped on the lights. Distant objects snap into focus with digital zoom, letting you read a street sign from 100 meters away. Facial recognition runs in the background so you instantly know who you're meeting and recall every detail. Augmented overlays deliver contextual information. Restaurant ratings hover next to storefronts. Architectural data highlights structural details. Real-time traffic updates flash before your eyes as you navigate city streets. Physical performance transforms too. By linking to motor neurons, Neuron Nexus acts like an internal coach. Ever wonder how elite athletes achieve split-second reactions? The chip refines your coordination, smoothing movements, and eliminating wasted effort. Pain signals dial down, so you can push harder without that immediate sting, while fatigue meters slow, extending your endurance. Whether you're scaling a cliff, playing a concerto, or running a marathon, you operate closer to the pinnacle of human capability. And if you pair the implant with an exoskeleton or specialized wearable, your reaction times could be 10 times faster than average, and strength levels could rival those seen only in cutting-edge robotics labs. One of the most startling features is the ability to communicate brain to brain. Picture brainstorming with a colleague on the other side of the globe and sharing your entire line of thinking in milliseconds. No emails, no video calls. You simply send the ideas directly, preserving nuance and emotion. Teams in research labs could collaborate at unheard-of speed. Military units might synchronize movements as if sharing a single consciousness. Families separated by distance could feel each other's joys and fears in real time. This silent dialogue could birth a new form of social cohesion, what some futurists call a collective human hive mind. According to leaked documents, human trials wrapped up by late 2026 And in 2027, Nvidia plans to roll out a neuromed version for patients with visual or memory impairments. That initial release focuses on rehabilitation, restoring sight and recall to those who have lost them. But the internal roadmap extends far beyond. Nvidia engineers are already drawing up consumer-grade models intended for healthy users. They envision a world where anyone willing to pay can step beyond the limits of unaugmented biology. Yet such power raises urgent questions. Global powers from Washington to Beijing and capitals in Europe and the Middle East are racing to draft regulations for neuroimplants. Ethicists warn of a cognitive elite, an irreversible divide between those who can afford upgrades and those who cannot. Imagine a workforce split between the enhanced and the organic, with entire industries favoring boosted employees. Social inequality could spike, and access to these chips might determine your career, your income, even your lifespan. Security experts sound even louder alarms. If a hacker discovers a way in, they could hijack your perceptions or inject commands directly into your motor neurons. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions could become vulnerable. Nvidia assures that remote access is impossible without physical contact, but in an age where devices everywhere are getting hacked, can any system truly be impregnable? Psychologists worry about identity. Human personality is shaped by memories, emotions, and neural pathways. Merge AI into that delicate web, and you risk altering who you are at the core. Is the voice guiding you your own or the chips? Despite these risks, the potential is staggering. Education could be revolutionized. Students might master entire curriculums in weeks instead of years. Healthcare could leap forward with doctors receiving real-time diagnostic data from their own minds. Neuron Nexus is more than a chip. It's a catalyst for the next chapter of human evolution. By 2030, early adopters may already be living with neural upgrades, changing everything from how we learn to how we love and communicate. So as we look toward a future where consciousness itself becomes modular and upgradable, ask yourself, when the day comes, will you choose to integrate this technology into your very mind, watching as a new generation of enhanced individuals emerges? The door to a new era is opening, and time favors the bold. The question is, are you ready to step through?